Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Mania By Suman Sir. So today I will show you how to find out unit digit of a number. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So at first, what is the unit digit? Let a number is 1, 2, 5, 4, 9. Okay. Most right, the number 1 is the unit digit. Okay. Most right. So you know that here it is ones position, 4 is the tens position, 5 is the hundred, 2 is the thousand position. So 9 is the unit digit, unit place, means ones position number is the unit place. Let's see what is the unit digit of 23 into 5. So you know that the multiplication of 23 by 5 is 3 5s are 15 and 1 is 5 2s are 10 and 11. So most right is the 5. So 5 is the unit digit of 23 multiple with the number of 5. Okay, here is that the case 1, case 2 and also case 3. Here is the three different way to find out the unit digit, the number. Okay, mainly the unit digit is the ones position number. I just say that suppose a number will be 23 into 56 into 91 into 254. So what will be the unit digit place of the number? So you see that 23 into 56 into 91 into 254, you just multiply it 3 with 6 with 1 and it will be 4. So 3 and 6, 6 3s are 18. So 18 is here, but 8 is comes. So 8 and 1, 8 ones are 8 and 8 4s are 32. So what will be the unit place number? It will be the number is 2. The 2 is the unit place of 23 multiplied 56 multiplied 91 into 254. So it is not easy like that. So here is a difficult different type of the find out the unit digit place. Suppose 2 3 5 whole to the power 5. What will be the number? What will be the unit digit? It will be always 5. So what is the main funda? Main funda means when the number is 0, 1, 5 and 6. So case 1 is here 0, 1, 5 and 6. The last number, the last digit of a number will be 0, 1, 5, 6. The same number of the unit place. Suppose 100 whole square. So then the unit place of this square, it will be 0. Suppose, so 0 is here. Suppose the number will be 1 to 1. It will be 1. Suppose the number will be 125 square. It is 5. Mainly the last digit of a square or to the power 3 or 4 etc. So 1 to the power square it is 1, 1 to the power 3 it will be 1, 1 to the power 4 it will be 1. Same to same, 2 to the power 5 to the power 1 it will be 5, 5 to the power 2 it will be 25. So the unit place is 5. 5 to the power 3 it will be 125. So it will be 5. So in this same process 6 will be 6 to the power 1 equal to 6, 6 to the power 2 equal to 36. The unit place of the number of 6 and the 6 to the power 3 it will be 216. The last number will be 6. So when the last digit of a number will be 0, 1, 5, 6, the power will be anything number 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, or and many numbers of the power. Suppose the power will be 245, 999, 5 to the power 999. It will be always the unit place of 5. Okay, case 2 here is and 9. Case 1, then the last digit of the 0156 is here, and case 2 is 4 and 9. So mainly it is notified that we have to see that the last digit of a number. Suppose the number will be 1 to 4. So last digit is 4. So 1 to 4 to the power, suppose 2, or 1 to 4 to the power 3. Okay, when the 4 to the power 1 to 4, I mean the last digit is 4, so 4 to the power it is 2. 2 means it is even number, so the last digit of this number will be 6. So 4 to the power even number, it will be the unit digit will be 6, and 4 to the power odd number, it will be 4. Okay, and suppose the number is 229 to the power 2 and 239 to the power 5. So 9 to the power 2 means 9 to the power even number. So when the 9 to the power even number is here, the number will be 1, and 9 to the power odd number, it will be 9. Case number 3 is here. Here it is the remaining number, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is here, 5 is here, 6, 7 and 8 is the remaining part. When a number will be 1, 3, 4, 2, and here is the power of 98 and so on, and here is the another number is 2397 to the power 95. So mainly last digit is 2, so means 2 to the power 98. What is the last digit, what is the unit digit, and 7 to the power 95, what is the unit digit. So 2 is here and 7 is here, it is 2 and 3, 2 and 7, same as 3 and 8 and so on. So mainly 2 to the power 98, mainly 2 to the power 98. So when the case number 3 is here, the last digit of a number 2378, the power will be divided by 4. So the power will be divided by 4. So 98 divided by 4. So what will be the 4 to the 8, 1 8, 4 4 to the 16. So 2 is here. So quotient is 24 and remainder is 2. When the remainder will be 2, then mainly this power 98 replaced by 2. This power 98 replaced by 2. So mainly 2 to the power 2. It will be 4. So the unit digit of a number 134 to the power 98, it will be 4. And here it is 2397, so here it mainly 7 to the power 95, and the 95 divided by 4, 95 divided by 4, it will be 9 to the 8, 115, 3 4 to the 12, so 3 is here, so means quotient is 23 and remainder is 3. Mainly remainder is 3 means just power replaced by 3. So 7 to the power 3. So 7 to the power 3 means 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 7 is 49 and into 7, and 7 9s are 63. So 3 will be the unit digit of the number of 2397 to the power 95. Okay, so to have to know that case 1, case 2 and case 3. So when the last digit of a number 0156 and the power will be any number. It will be the odd number, it will be the even number, then the number will be the last same digit. Okay, so the number will be 100 square or 100 to the power 999. So last digit will be the answer. 1 means 1 to 21 to the power 999, 56 or anything, the number will be 1. 5 is also 5 square, 5 to the power 999, 5 to the power 156, anything, it will be the 5 and 6 also. Okay. And case number 2 is here, 4 and 9, when the last digit of 4 and the last digit of a number is 4 and 9, this will be applicable this type of, mainly 4 to the power even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. 4 to the power even number, the last digit, the unit digit of a number will be 6. And 4 to the power odd number means 1, 3, 5, etc. The number, the last unit digit will be 4. Same to same. Case number 3 is here, it will be the number of 2, 3, 7, 8, and the same the number will be, the power will be mainly 98 or everything is here, just divided by 4. Okay, just divided by 4, and the anything will be the quotient. The remainder is a variable, and the main part of the remainder part, mainly the power will be replaced by remainder. Okay, so mainly 134 to the power 98, it mainly the 2 to the power 98, because the last number is the unit place. So 2 to the power 98 means 2 to the power 98 replaced by the remainder, so 98 replaced by 2, so 2 to the power 2 means 4. And 2397, the unit place of the number is 7, so 7 to the power 95, so 95 divided by 4, the quotient is everything, and remainder is and the remainder will be 3, and then 95 replaced by the 3, so 7 to the power 3 means 7 into 7 into 7, and the 7 sevens are 49, and 49 into 7 means just 49, 9 is here and 7 is here, so 7 nines are 63, so 3 will be the answer. Okay, I think you will understand that what I say, the unit digit of the number of any number, case 1, case 2 and case 3. If you understand this video, please like this video, please press the subscribe button, the bell icon to watch more video in my channel. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.